Oh hello, welcome back to a brand new video of mine, and today yes I will be talking about eyeshadow palettes, all about eyes. Today's video is all about eyes. Recently guys, I was shopping from Nykaa actually, and I was not shopping any makeup at all because I am not that makeup person, but I came across this product. This is MISS Claire's eyeshadow palette, and it is having a very decent packaging. I am liking it, and you can easily carry it in your handbag. As you can see, it is very small in size. Now you can imagine it's just putting in my hand, so it's very small in size. You can easily carry it in your handbag, and it is priced at rupees 225 if I am not wrong. Now if I open this, the first thing you will see the mirror. You can see the mirror, and here are 12 eyeshadows and 3 blushes, and you are getting one applicator also with this. You can apply your eyeshadow with this and the blusher with this, and I know that you all know more than me. Now coming to the colors, if you look at the colors guys, then the colors are really nice, and I can find that there are 6 colors which are shimmery, and I'm going to show you which colors. These are the colors which are shimmery, which has shimmers in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors are there which are shimmery, and these are the colors which are matte. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This palette is consisting 12 eyeshadows. Among that, 6 have shimmers and 6 shades they do not have any shimmers, and these are the blushes, and the blushes are also having a very decent color, isn't it? Now I am going to show you everything by putting on my eyes so that you can understand the pigmentation and the colors in a better way. Guys, as you can see, I have removed all my eye makeup, and now I am going to use this MISS Claire eyeshadow palette direct on my eyelids. So I am just starting with the first color, this one. It's quite pigmented. I don't know what shimmer in it. I took too much. Really brightens up your face. I love these sort of colors a lot. You can play with colors, mix and match and just play. Of the palette. This eyeshadow palette really surprised me a lot because it is priced at only rupees 225 and the pigmentation is awesome. While I was putting the shimmer colors on my eyes, I was looking at one point, is there any fallout or not? To my surprise, there were not much fallout also. So if you're putting any shimmer colors, normally fallouts happen, but in this case it really didn't happen, and if it happens also it was too less, and the pigmentation of each and every color is great. At the same time you're getting a mirror. I was just looking at the mirror and doing everything. You have seen this. So from my end I will recommend you to buy this. You go for this guys, it is having lovely shades and you can always mix and match and create your own shades. Even the blushes, the shades are amazing, very good. I really like it, and MISS CLAIRE's products are always very cheap, pocket friendly. I will highly recommend all of you guys, if you are having a lot of palettes also, it is worth buying. So if you have liked this video of mine, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and share this video among your friends and family. Help them little bit and help me, of course. I'm your friend and sharing is caring, guys. And until my next video comes, stay happy, stay blessed. Tata, bye bye.